What's going on, y'all? This is Rashad from raeshadbeats.com. Welcome back to another BeatNerd101 tutorial. And in today's tutorial, we're going to be making a sample beat in FL Studio 10 today. So let's go ahead and jump right in. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to bring up my sample. And today's sample will be ANITA Bigger, No One in the World. And we will be dragging this into our playlist. So let's go ahead and see what sample we dealing with. Let's go ahead and play it.
I look back on all those good times.
So let's go ahead and figure out the tempo of this song that we have here. So and what I like to do with samples in FL, usually I will go ahead and go to my time stretch and just press auto detect. Let's say you right click, go to auto detect. Let's do it at the estimated 61.927. Let's see how that sounds. Whoa, that's not it. Hold on. So what I like to do is I'll just chop. Here it is.
I look back on all those good times we once shared, and I must have been blind just to leave.
So as you can see, as I continue to wind down the tempo on the sample, I try to bring down the tempo and watch the lines. If these lines of the track move to the line, as you can see, it's more on point now. So let's go ahead and do a simple chop. So I'm gonna just take what we have so far. Use my cut tool. And once I make the chop, a good technique I use to finish and complete our actual chop so there won't be no mistakes at the end, I go to my pencil tool right here. I make sure stretch is turned on. And then also go to your snap, make sure it's turned on line. And then once you do that, just move it towards the end. That way it'll stretch it and fill that gap. Perfect. Now let's see if we can get another piece. Also, be careful too, when it's on stretch mode, make sure you turn it off if you're trying to get the rest of the song, because if you don't, it'll stretch whatever piece of the sample that you have, as you've seen before, but now I moved it up so it won't stretch. So I'm just going to take this second part and we're going to make a nice little sample chop loop. Bring that over here, delete this. Now we have a nice little chop.
I look back.
then we can use this to loop.
I look back.
So we're gonna add like some simple percussion just to show you guys how we can continue to add on to this sample chop.
I look back.
And now we can get a little, you know, we can get funky with the sample now. So let's actually try and turn down the pitch a little bit and see how that sounds with the sample chop that we have. I like that. Let's keep working on this sample. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to EQ it. As you can see, we got a nice little sample chop, and you know, I got a nice little pattern going on. I'm gonna add a little bass line, and we can go ahead and wrap this beat up for real. So let's go ahead, see how it sounds with the bass line. Let's bring this down an octave, so. I was wondering why that wasn't working. And that, my friends, wraps up this sample tutorial on FL Studio 10. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Be on the lookout for more Beatnerd tutorials as we continue to keep working on these beats. Stay tuned. BeatNerd101 out. Peace.
Look back on all those good times we once shared, and I must have been blind just to think I'd find someone new, one who'd love me better than you. Well, in me. Look back. I look back on all those good times we once shared, and I must have been blind just to think I'd find someone new, one who'd love me better than you. Well, in me. Well, in me. I look back. I look back.